You waste 2 hours every night pretending to rest. You scroll. You watch one more episode. You tell yourself you deserve this time. But here's the truth. You're not resting. You're punishing your day. Dutch researchers call it revenge bedtime procrastination. You delay sleep not because you're busy. You do it because your day stole your freedom. So you take it back at night, even if it costs you tomorrow. Here's what's actually happening. Your brain has a self-control budget. Every decision you make, every email you answer, every urge you resist, it all costs energy. By 8 p.m., that budget is empty. A study from 1998 proved this. Researchers gave people two choices: eat chocolate or eat radishes. The radish group had to resist temptation. Then both groups tried solving puzzles. The radish eaters quit faster. Their willpower was gone. This isn't about discipline. It's about depletion. So when evening comes, your brain stops protecting you. Scrolling feels easier than sleeping. One more video feels safer than silence. But scrolling isn't rest. German psychologists studied this for years. They found something uncomfortable. When you scroll, your brain stays alert. Your body thinks it's still working. Real recovery requires psychological detachment. That means mentally disconnecting, not just physically leaving work. And you're doing the opposite. You're filling your evening with stimulation, with notifications, with other people's thoughts. Your brain never gets the signal to stop. Here's how you fix it. Step 1. Admit what you're doing. You're not relaxing. You're avoiding sleep, because sleep means tomorrow starts. And tomorrow feels like punishment. Stop lying to yourself about what rest means. Step 2. Build a shutdown ritual. Your brain needs a clear signal that work is over, not just physically, mentally. Choose one small action. Close your laptop and say it out loud. I'm done. Put your phone in another room. Change your clothes. It sounds stupid. It works. Researchers found that people who create shutdown rituals recover faster. Their brains learn the pattern. Step 3. Replace scrolling with actual rest. This doesn't mean meditation or journaling if that's not you. It means activities that don't demand attention. Walking, stretching, sitting in a quiet room doing nothing. The goal isn't productivity. It's detachment. Step 4. Protect the last hour before sleep. No screens, no work thoughts, no solving problems. Studies show your brain needs at least 60 minutes to transition into sleep mode. If you scroll until you're exhausted, you skip that process. You fall asleep depleted. You wake up tired. Step 5. Reframe what evening time means. You think your evening is stolen time, something you need to reclaim. It's not. Your evening is repair time, the only time your brain gets to recover from the day. When you waste it on revenge, you're not punishing your schedule. You're punishing tomorrow's version of yourself. A 2015 study tracked employees for 2 weeks. Those who mentally detached after work slept better. They performed better the next day. The ones who stayed mentally connected suffered. More stress, less energy, worse decisions. The paradox is cruel. When you need recovery most, it's hardest to achieve. But that's also the point. Your evening isn't extra time. It's the foundation for tomorrow. You already know this. You just keep ignoring it. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Revenge bedtime procrastination doesn't give you freedom. It steals your mornings. You're not taking back control. You're losing it in a different time zone. Fix your evenings before they break you. Check the comments for the Evening Recovery Index. 5 indicators, 30 seconds to complete. If 3 or more apply to you, you're not recovering. You're deteriorating. And tomorrow, you'll pay for tonight. Find out where you stand.